Check out this Buick 2022 Encore GX Essence. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 1 SL, 5.45 final drive axle ratio, 18 machined aluminum wheels, 18 aluminum with chrome inserts, leather appointed seat trim, ride and handling suspension, radio, 8 diagonal Buick infotainment system, power tilt sliding moonroof and experience Buick package. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.